Today, let's see about Bank Nifty and Nifty movements. Before we switch to next week prediction, let's see what has happened for today. So today, Bank Nifty has closed 357 points up, whereas Nifty has closed 32 points up. And this a movement with the Bank Nifty was expected. I had also posted this on the front page at around 8:26 a.m. So I was telling Bank Nifty looks more clearer in bullish view than Nifty, and Nifty had little corrections left. So as I told in the video as well, so the Bank Nifty was looking more bullish than Nifty, and that was the expectation, and that's how it has also performed. But the movement was a bit slow today because it was Friday, so that is also expected. And morning there was a big fall down of Bank Nifty, and this was not expected, and this was a surprise. So for a big price fall, and sometimes it happens, this is not in controllable manner. So when this happened, I decided to stop trading because it went very volatile. When Bank Nifty was trading here at this point, and it dropped suddenly, then and again it was Friday, so I don't want to take a chance. And also I suggested on Friday we should be trading low. So let's see what I had also we had discussed on. So if you see here, what we have seen on yesterday was about 34,800 we were bullish, and about 34,560 we were bearish, and we said Bank Nifty clearly tested this circled area and it is good to go. So my view was inclined to upward movement because the price lines are tested perfectly. So that's how it happened, and we predicted it will reach 35,095, and I don't see a big movement will happen for tomorrow. Maybe price reaches 35,095 and run flat over there. It is the same exactly happened. It touched the 3540 nearby, and there it reversed and it started running flat. Exactly it was happened what we discussed yesterday for Bank Nifty. So let's come over here. So now the price is at 35,034. Okay, let's see the weekly chart. How does it look like? So the weekly chart is sustaining above. It is good. There is a red candle over here, and we know it today. It was a clear recovery from Bank Nifty upside. So we have to see Bank Nifty further bullish. The reason for today price slowness and some reddish things, reddish candles were because of HDFC Bank. So if you see here in the top 5 banks, ICICI Bank was green, Kotak Bank was green, SBI Bank was green, Axis Bank was also green. It was HDFC Bank which was a negative side. It little bit recovered in the second half of the day, and that's why Bank Nifty also recovered. What I see is Bank Nifty is very good at its recovery side, and we should see Bank Nifty as bullish. Only point which pause to look at is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank also is recovering. So once HDFC Bank is positive, Bank Nifty is going to shoot upwards. Let's come back to 5 minutes chart. So we should watch for HDFC Bank. Once HDFC Bank turns green, then we should very well bet for Bank Nifty on upside. Let's see what is about HDFC Bank as well. So HDFC also is now bullish. It has turned bullish at the end of the day. We can see a very big green candle. So what I would say is 1445, just 3 points more. If it crosses 1445, then we can hope HDFC should be positive bullish. At the maximum we can look at 1446. Then it should turn bullish. So there is a big red candle, so it's a 1452, so 10 points more. So if HDFC managed to cross 1452, Bank Nifty is going to touch 36,000, 35,770 and 36,000. So this is what we are expecting. So HDFC Bank is a very key part of the 12 banks of Bank Nifty. It has the largest share in the Bank Nifty. So anything of an HDFC, the price change will directly impact Bank Nifty. It has a potential influence in Bank Nifty. So we should always have a look at HDFC Bank when we require to have a look at Bank Nifty price change. Let's see what is the sentiment for HDFC Bank. I just want to look at also, because why we are concentrating HDFC is it's the only bank which is negative and which has pulled the price little bit, tested Bank Nifty today. So if you see here, MC Technicals is little bit bearish. We'll look at it. Technical rating is bearish. Community sentiments, many people are voting for buy, only 84% buy option. And brokers research, if you see, they're giving the target for 1720, 1800, 1870, 1700, 1810, 1850. So as a longer run, all the brokers are very much positive on HDFC Bank. So the current price is 1440, and there is a target. There's a huge target price behind. So I think whatever the bearishness that is showing by HDFC should be a temporary bearishness. It should definitely recover from the weekly perspective. Let's see the technical rating. So technical analysis, moving average technical indicators are bearish from the daily. So in weekly it is neutral. We see moving average is bullish, technical indicator is neutral, and monthly it is very bullish. So it is very clear we should take like HDFC is bearish daily. Maybe it could be bearish on Monday or Tuesday, maybe, but at a weekly trend it is neutral. It should turn bullish because monthly it is this in technical rating is very bullish. So overall, how we should conclude is other banks are all positive, only HDFC is currently negative, but HDFC has a very bullish sentiment over weekly and monthly charts. So next week, by end of next week, we should expect Bank Nifty should show us a very big movement, considering Bank Nifty currently is at 35,000 above. So that's what we should try to conclude. Let me show you something. So if you see here the long build up, you can pause the video and look at all the points, but what I circled is Bank Nifty 35,100. If you see today, there is a price change of 35%, and also there is a OA change of 105%. So there is an increase in OA and also increase in price change. So this is very much supportive, expected for 3500 to reach. So this is a very positive sign for Bank Nifty. And we see the put call ratio, it is 0.94 and Nifty is 1. So this is not really significant looking supporting bullish. This signifies, what it signifies is both put and call are equal. So according to put call ratio, it can go either side, but other things are supporting Bank Nifty for a bullish view. So let's come to here. So what we are expecting for 26th is Monday is anything above 34,940, then we should expect Bank Nifty should be bullish. So already the price is above 34,940. The current price is 34. So if Bank Nifty sustains above 34,940, then we should look for a bullish view. I have not marked in between points 35,300. 35,220, the previous things I have not marked because 35,500 is the key resistance, and then 35,770 is another main price gap which we are expecting to fill it up. So we should look Bank Nifty as bullish only. According to the price action, it has cleared things at the below side, and anything below 34,760, then we should look at any bearish view, and this 34,760 was tested today, so that is why I marked this point. So anything below 34,760 we can see downside, but I'm least expecting below 34,760 for Bank Nifty again. So Bank Nifty has done a breakout upside and should be seen bullish. On Monday, watch out for the movement of HDFC Bank. If HDFC positive, we can see a good movement in Bank Nifty as well. So it's the same. Once Bank Nifty crosses 35,124, then it will be turning very bullish for targets 35,300, 35,500. So it is not so far away. So watch out for Bank Nifty at upside. If the price sustains above 34,940, bet for CE buy. Price below 760 can be bearish side. So what is important is if you are taking any weekly positions or monthly expiry, then you should definitely take a bullish view, and you should take the upside expected targets only. So this is about Bank Nifty, and one another interesting thing I will share, which is more relevant. We will have to check for Nifty as well. So let's get back to Bank Nifty. Let me show you something. So let's see this. So 15 minutes chart. So there was a gap. There was a gap down here. There was a price area gap formed. And what Bank Nifty did, it covered this gap. It has covered this gap, right? And here again there was a gap formation, and Bank Nifty went and it covered this gap. This is a very, very important concept of price action. So it covered this gap. So earlier on 16th June there was a big area gap it created here. So that's the target of 35,770. If you note 35,770, this is what I'm marking in my charts for from this date, from 19th. Last 5 days I'm marking. So all the price gaps at bottom, Bank Nifty has cleared it out. So the next price gap is this part of it, which I'm expecting Bank Nifty to clear. So that is why we can really bet for Bank Nifty to go upside and clear this area gap which it created in the past, and to touch this 35,770 target. Let's move on to Nifty. Nifty will again start from that price gap itself. So if you notice here, there is a price gap created by Nifty here. So that is around the 35,920. So this is what we are marking, 35,920 price gap, and Nifty has almost cleared it. It has come till 15,900. So only 20 points more. This will also get cleared by Bank Nifty, but 15,920 is a very, very important resistance. So once 15,920 is broken and 15,950 is broken, the next target is 16,000. It's a big target which we are expecting for a long time. So 15,920 is a very important point, resistance breakout at the upper side. That's why Nifty is testing below. And now the key point to note here is there is a price area gap which is formed by Nifty here. So that is where this target is 15,620 here. 15625 around. So this area gap Nifty has not cleared out, and this is where I'm expecting Nifty to do some correction next week, where there could be a fall down for Nifty before it is rising above. So that's why I have clearly mentioned in my point as well. So that is why I marked this support. Yesterday also I marked this support line 15655. I marked today also the support 15665. So currently Nifty is trading here. There could be a chance in next week, whether it could be Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, whenever this is breaking 15813, 15770 is breaking, it should test this gap 15655 before it rises above. So whenever we are trading in Nifty, I would advise to be a little bit cautious. Do not assume Nifty is completely bullish as Bank Nifty is. So Bank Nifty, as per price action, it is very clear to go up. But Nifty, there are certain price action points which is left out, which we expect to get it cleared. So we need to have two views for Nifty on both in bearish and bullish side, and we need to trade cautiously for Nifty. So these are the points for Monday. Above 15850 is bullish. Already the price for Nifty is above 15850. But if it sustains above 15850, then we can have it as bullish. What I would say, take it as 15880. When Nifty sustains above 15880, we can be bullish for Nifty. So 15880 is something, this point where it reverses. So we can wait for some 30 points more for Nifty to cross, then we can have it as in a bullish side. But again, after 15880, there is only 40 points up. 50920 is a very key resistance. So only if it breaks 50920, then we can be bullish. So what I suggest is, do not go for a long position for Nifty for now. Having said that, we are also hoping for some correction at the downside. I would not suggest to go for any long position for Nifty for now, because the risk reward ratio is very less. We are already at the upside of 15856. That next resistance is coming just in 50 points upside. But there are some logic where we are expecting the Nifty to also do some corrections downside. So I would suggest, if you want to do any new entry, prefer Bank Nifty for next week over Nifty. So even though Nifty is trading above 15850, but there are more ambiguity for Nifty, I would say. So prefer Bank Nifty over Nifty for trading for next week. That would be my pick. Yes. So thank you very much. These are the main things which I would want to share with you. And in weekend, if there is any news coming up, then I would post it. Please be in touch with me in friend page for the updates. Support the video if you find it useful. Thank you.